Okay, beta, welcome back. So, what we were doing,
Ma'am, we were talking about a push or a pull in
we
these
were
given
talking about
images.
the push and the pull, and we got to learn that both the girls are pushing each other here in this picture. Okay, and here
Yes,
both
ma'am.
the girls are pulling each other. Here, the man is pulling the cow towards him, and the cow is pulling the man towards her or him. Okay, I just hope it's a cow.
No, it looks like a bull because it has a hump.
Maybe. So, it could be a bull. Correct. Okay, chalo. We will move to the next slide. Okay. So, from the observation, what you have inferred, you tell me without looking at the slide. You tell me from these example, you have what you have inferred or what you have concluded.
So the first thing is that two objects have to like interact to make a force. And one more. Uh,
That means interaction is required for the force to act, right?
yes, ma'am.
This is what you are saying. Okay. आप सोचो कि आपको क्लास में एक डेस्क को मूव करना है. Okay. You have to move the desk from point A. Let's say it's a point A. ये point है. Point A. And you have to move the desk from point A to point B. Okay. And you think that the table is very big and huge and so it must be heavy. So you called your friend. Okay. Okay. Let's have the teacher in moving the desk. Okay. So what your friend did? You were smart. You tried to push the desk from A to B. You have to push. So you were applying the force into this direction. Okay. But what your friend did? He started pushing the table in this direction. Now tell me, it would be easier for you to displace the table from A to B, or it will be difficult with the help of your friend? Is he helping?
Not really.
Not really. But what were his intention? His intentions were not bad, but in actual, he
Yeah,
was actually not helping you. Why?
because like if there's forces from opposite sides on an object, then like if they're in the same quantity, same
Magnitude?
force magnitude, yes. So like the object would be constant and not
Yeah.
moving,
If both the forces are
and
same, the
whichever side
object is
is
not going to move. Even if you are like you say, I'm saying that you are pushing it more. Okay, you are applying more force than your friend, even though it will be difficult because there is some magnitude of force which your friend is pushing the table in the opposite direction, so force will be subtracted.
zero.
To get the net force, दोनों फोर्स का क्या होगा बेटा, डिफरेंस होगा जो आपका नेट फोर्स होगा. Okay, so for the full efficiency, what you should do, if you need to place the table from point A to point B, you both have to push the table in the
Same direction.
same direction. Correct. So when we push
And
or pull anything in the same direction, both the forces, they get added to get the net force. See, in this example, both the boys are pushing this table in this direction. If F1 is the force
yes, ma'am.
by this person and F2 is the force applied by this person, what will be the net force? They will get added. The net force will be
F1 plus F2.
correct. The net force will be F1 plus F2. So if two forces acting on a body in the same direction, the net force is the sum of the two forces. unbalanced force acting in the same direction combined by adding. Now say you both are applying the same force. What would be the net force?